welcome back to my channel. I'm Ritu Kapoor. Today I'm going to unbox and review Glitzy Gaze for July month. So this is the box which I've got. Let's just quickly unbox it and see what all it has. But before that, let me tell you, Glitzy Gaze has two different variants. I will be unboxing the Bella one. So let's talk about that. The price for a monthly subscription is 329 rupees, and they have longer subscriptions as well for 3 months, 6 months and a yearly subscription. And this month they have an option if you buy both the boxes together, Bella and the Rage. So Bella will cost you only at 245 rupees. So in total 745 rupees you will get both the boxes, which is, I guess, amazing. And now let me quickly show you what all is there. You will find the buying link in the description box and all the detail. The prices for longer subscription, 3 months, 6 months and a yearly subscription, and of course the combination of both boxes, you will get the prices and everything. Now let me quickly show you what all it has. So the first thing is this. This is a colorful multi-purpose pouch, you can say. So you can just use it to store any of your makeup, your jewelry, your stationery, like anything, medicines in fact. So a very colorful, good quality bag, I would say. This is how it looks. Now to the second product. The second product is a bath salt, and this is by Miraki, and this is for body and feet. 50 gram is the quantity, and this is how it looks. From the back side, it's transparent packing, so you can just see the bath salt here. Now the price for this one is 249 rupees for 50 gram. Manufacture of May 2019. Best before 18 months from the date of manufacturing. So this says this is a homemade bath salt. Contain Epsom salt, Himalayan sea salt, baking soda, dry rose petals, and essential oil. So looks nice, and bath salt is something, yes, which is quite useful, which everybody can use it, I guess. Now moving on to the next one. The next one is this. This is the tea tree scrub, and this is by D Natural. Now the price for this one is 299 rupees. The manufacture of April 2019. Best before 24 months from the manufacturing date. And let me just read out the ingredient list. It has tea tree oil, EVEX, GMS, PMS, PPS, fragrance and colors. And this is a scrub, so I think for summer it's really useful product. Then it has tea tree. So tea tree will actually help you to get rid of any kind of infection. So yes, quite a good product, I would say. Now moving on to the next one. The next one is a beautiful neck piece, and the color is red. Though I'm not really a big fan of red color, but this neck piece is really beautiful because it's a combination of red and golden, you can just see. Let me just wear it and show you the look. The look, you can just see it's looking so pretty, and this is gonna look really nice with kurtis, with western outfits. Of course, this is going to look nice with dresses, with tops. So yes, quite happy with this one, and this looks really pretty. The quality and everything of this is nice. Now moving on to the next one. The next one is this. This is a towel, face towel, you can say. This is how it looks. The color is baby pink, which is very cute. So quite useful face towel. I think I'm going to use this in my gym. So yes, quite a useful product. Now moving on to the next one. The next one is a lip gloss or lip color, you can say. This is by Clovia Beauty Liquid Matte lip color. The color looks really nice. Let me just open it and show you the color. Wow, pretty shade. I like it. So this is the shade. Really pretty. It's not really red. It's not really pinkish. It's like a mix of red, pink, orangish. So yes, I quite like it. Nice. And of course, matte colors are really in these days. So yes, happy with this one. Now I'm left with the last one. The last one is pair of earrings, and these are like tassel earring, you can say. The color is green, very fresh green. So yes, like it. Let me just wear it and show you the look. So this is how it looks. Of course, very pretty, and the color, like, it's very colorful, so it's going to look really nice. I like it. They are very lightweighted, pretty earrings. So that's all what I've received in my Glitzy Gaze Bella edition. The price, I've already told you, 329 is the price. I've showed you the product, so if you like it, go ahead and purchase it. So that's all about Glitzy Gaze. I will see you in my next video. Till then, lots of love and bye-bye.